Monday, fourth graders. Welcome to another week of online learning. This week we are in April 20th through the 24th. Okay, and we're going to keep moving right along. Up here at the very top is our assignment board. Okay, all of your things that you have to do throughout the week is in here. So if you want to open that up and print it out, go for it. If you have not taken a guess on when you think baby Brinka will be born, do that now. There's not many boxes left, so do that before they all fill up. Okay, so looking at our week, we're gonna have our Zoom meeting Monday morning, 9:30. Okay, so it's at 9:30 in the morning. Okay, get in, we'll read our book and we'll play a little game. For reading, we're reading chapters 17 and 18, doing your comprehension questions. Good job with that. We're going to finish topic 13 for math on Monday, taking our Mastery Connects. There are 2 of them. Please make sure that you take both of them. One is on area and perimeter, and one is on the customary units. So converting those units to different units. Okay, for writing this week, we're going to continue on with punctuation and quotation marks. So every day this week, there'll be a writing fix a sentence. Okay, in the private messages, okay, fix this sentence for me. So you're going to retype this, but you're going to add in your quotation marks, add in your correct punctuation. Okay, so every day we'll have one of these. Fix this sentence that is right here. Okay, obviously we'll still have our journal entries. Keep working on those. Okay, remember 5 to 10 minutes or a good long paragraph. Okay, and then we'll do Unit 9, Lesson 3 for social studies, and then you'll have PE class, so go in there. If you have not joined Mr. Brunin's PE class, here is his code, so do that. Tuesday, we're going to silent read. We'll start topic 14 for math, okay? So there is my notes right here. Watch this video, log into Pearson, watch the video, and then there's one assignment for that one, okay? And then again for writing, we're fixing this sentence. I'm going to the store on Monday, she said. Put in your quotation marks, your punctuation. And then we are just going to be studying and practicing the Northeast states and capitals, okay? So in here, there are lots of different websites. You don't have to do every single one of them, but I would practice them multiple times. And I'm going to drag this down every day. So you should essentially be practicing these every day because you're going to have a test this week on those states and capitals. Okay? So these are here for tools for you. Use them to practice. Okay? Don't just click on one, say you did it, practice it one time, and you're good. Okay? Use this to help you study. Also, if you did your study guide last week for your Northeast region, the answer key is right here. So you can use this answer key to help you out to practice your states and capitals. Okay, and then Tuesday we have music. Wednesday, we are going to be doing Farmer Boys chapter 1920. We're fixing that sentence. And then for math, we're doing Khan Academy. And then you'll have art. Thursday, we are silent reading, doing topic 14, lesson 2 for math. Again, watch my notes, go to Pearson, watch your little video, and do your assignment, okay? We're going to fix this sentence, put the quotations in, punctuation, and then we will have our Northeast regions test, okay? So log into Mastery Connect, take your test, and then we'll be done with that. Okay, Thursday we'll also have our Zoom meeting. It'll be at 2 o'clock. Okay, so log into Zoom around 2 o'clock and we'll read a little bit of our book and then we will play a little game. And then on Friday, okay, we'll have silent reading. You'll do some con. We'll fix a sentence and then you'll have music on Friday. Okay, so there is another week of learning. Mr. D is going to be starting doing Lincoln Leaders every single week. Okay, so you have until Sunday, from Monday all the way to Sunday, a whole week to get your work done. Sunday night, he will draw names out of a hat. Okay, if your name gets drawn, he will then contact me to say, hey, did so-and-so get their work done this week? And it has to be all of it. If you don't get all of it done, you don't get Lincoln Leader. You have to have every single assignment in here done. Okay, so get your work done, and if you get all your work done throughout the week and your name is drawn, then you will get a pizza for your entire family. Okay, so work really hard so that you can potentially get pizza for your family. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and let's have a great week.